Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the something went wrong error code for the PlayStation Portal, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys have to do is go over to settings. From settings go down to system, and then from system go to remote play. And this is extremely important. You have to enable remote play for the account you are currently using, and once you do that, go over to power saving, click on feature available in rest mode, and click on stay connected to the internet and enable turning on PS5 from network. Make sure these two are on. Once these two are on and you are good to go, I recommend turning off the PS Portal, so just go ahead and turn it off. The power off button is right there. And another thing you guys can do is also restart your PlayStation 5 as well, and you can do that by, hold on, I'm still kind of new to using this, but basically just turn it off, like just restart your PlayStation 5. I think you can do that from here as well. Right here, yeah. Well, I kind of forgot how to do it, but it's just hard to do it on the PS Portal. I don't know where the PlayStation button is. But anyways, yeah. But just to basically turn it off. Oh, there we go. Go over to power and then just go over to power and then just restart your PlayStation 5. And once you do both of those things, or all these things, you should be good to go. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.